just what I need. Hey, what's the deal? How do you get in there to steal a meal? What happened to feeders you could trust? Now it's all for the birds. For squirrels, this is a complete bust.
The Squirrel Buster Plus bird feeder is guaranteed squirrel-proof, no matter how determined squirrels are to steal seeds. Squirrel Buster Plus harmlessly foils squirrels with a shroud at the bottom that has openings aligning with seed ports. When a squirrel gets onto the perches, its weight forces the shroud down, closing the seed ports. An adjustable spring lets you prevent large birds, such as grackles, from getting seeds too. Or, with a simple twist, you can give them access. For cleaning, the Squirrel Buster Plus is disassembled in seconds without tools. It snaps back together as easily as it comes apart. And Squirrel Buster Plus is dishwasher safe. Best of all, the Squirrel Buster Plus is rugged, durable, completely squirrel-proof, and has a lifetime factory warranty with factory service.
This is just awful. Here are seeds galore. And I can't get a single pawful.
For a better bird feeder that you and the birds, but not the squirrels, can enjoy for years, get this Squirrel Buster Plus.